Foundation problems can seriously mess with your home's value and safety, so knowing how to handle them right is super important. Okay, so first off, if you notice cracks in your walls or floors that seem to be getting bigger, or doors and windows that stick or don't close properly, those could be signs your foundation is shifting. One good move is to check your yard for pooling water near your foundation, because water buildup can cause soil to expand and contract, leading to damage. It's smart to keep the soil around your home sloped away from the foundation by about 6 inches over the first 10 feet, so rainwater flows away and doesn't soak in near the base. Gutters and downspouts are a must-have to direct water off your roof and away from those vulnerable spots. Also, think about installing a soaker hose during dry months to keep the soil moisture consistent, which helps prevent cracking from too much drying. If you're planning any big landscaping or tree planting, keep trees away from the foundation since roots can cause trouble underground. And finally, don't skip on regular inspections by a trusted foundation expert to catch any early warning signs before they turn into costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation issues is ignoring early signs like small cracks or sticking doors, which can lead to bigger problems down the line, so keep an eye out and act fast. Another common problem is poor drainage around the house. If your soil isn't sloped properly or gutters aren't working, water just sits there and weakens the soil, so fix those drainage issues pronto. The third mistake is trusting just one opinion without checking it out, like getting conflicting advice between an engineer and an inspector. If that happens, don't stress, just get a second or even third professional opinion from licensed engineers who don't have a sales pitch. They're less likely to overstate problems just to sell services. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who genuinely know their stuff, making it easier to find reliable help without all the hassle. Plus, for contractors, it's a solid way to get noticed and find real projects from people who actually need their skills.